Happy Friday, first grade. Today we are going to share our writing. And how are we going to do that? We're going to share our writing about our activities during winter break by making a video of you reading your story. One fun thing you can do is to read your story using Chatterpix. And some of you know how to do that, and if you don't, I'm going to show you. This is important so that we can become better writers. So yesterday, you added 3 sentences to your illustration of what you did over winter break. So here is a picture, and here are the 3 sentences. During my winter break, my family went to the park and played. I liked swinging on the swing. We had fun. Now you need to go back and make sure you have capitals at the beginning of each sentence, and you have a period at the end of each sentence. Are there finger spaces? Is the handwriting neat? If yes, then you don't need to make any changes. Now you're going to record yourself reading your story, just like you are, or you can go to Chatterpix and you click on Chatterpix, and then you're going to take a picture of your story, and it will read it to you. You can record yourself while you're reading. If you don't know how to use Chatterpix, you can click on this link right here, and it will take you to voila, directions for using Chatterpix. Okay, so if you already know how to use Chatterpix, then you don't need to go there. You just go right back over here to your story and take a picture and then record it while you're reading it. That's going to be so exciting. I can't wait to hear you. So what did you learn today? Well, you learned that you need to go back to your story and make sure you don't have anything you need to correct or fix on your story. And then you learned that you're going to record yourself reading your story. You can use the recording on your iPad, or you can use Chatterpix. And if you don't know how to use Chatterpix, don't forget to click here and listen to the video telling you how to use it. And then you are going to have a great weekend.